Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about most important and repeated question of political science for the test of PPSC, FPSC and NTS. Question. Gabriel A. Almond belongs to answer is United States of America. Question. Who became famous due to his work on comparative politics and political culture? Answer is Gabriel A. Almond. Question. Gabriel Almond's books The Civic Cultures was published in answer is 1963. Question. Who introduced first the concept of political culture? Answer is Gabriel A. Almond. Question. Sidney Verba was the co-author in the civic culture with answer is Gabriel A. Almond. Question. Gabriel Almond's model of political system has listed answer is 7 functions. Question. The function to attain a desirable political culture is defined as answer is socialization. Question. Which of the following is not an input function of political system? Answer is rule adjudication. Question. Agents of socialization are answer is 5. Question. There are 5 influential factors that have effect throughout the rest of their lives. These influential factors are called answer is agents of socialization. Question. The learning process by which people acquire their opinion and values are called answer is political socialization. Question. The process through which individuals become aware of political value is answer is political socialization. Question. Who introduced the input-output analysis in the study of comparative government and politics? Answer is David Easton. Question. The system theory was first conceived in 1953 by answer is Gabriel A. Almond. Question. David Easton's political system could be seen as a delimited and fluid system of decision making into answer is 5 steps. Question. David Easton, a political scientist, was born in answer is Toronto. Question. The political system an inquiry into the state of political science was published in New York by answer is David Easton. Question. The political system an inquiry into the state of political science was published in answer is New York. Question. David Easton's book The Political System an inquiry into the state of political science was published in answer is 1953. Question. The politics that was written by answer is Aristotle. Question. The politics written by Aristotle describe different kind of constitutions. These kinds are answer is 6. Question. David Easton stated in the political system that 2 kind of political inputs are answer is demand and support. Question. The capacity to change behavior and to conform is answer is political power. Question. Attitudes toward the political system and its various parts are called answer is political power. Question. Interest articulation can arise through the action of a specific group like answer is social and political group. Question. Citizens' social and political interaction without the state interferences is defined as answer is civil society. Question. The interaction between interest groups and governments institutes is important feature of? Answer is political process. Question. Diversity of interest groups is a byproduct of? Answer is modernization. Question. Political theory deals with normative question about equality, democracy, justice, while comparative politics deals with empirical question. Who is the founder of this idea? Answer is Daniel Kremeny. Question. In the 1950s and 60s, political scientists focused toward the study of the political behavior that is called? Answer is comparative politics. Question. One of the most influential models in political analysis is the model of political system that was developed by? Answer is David Easton. Question. Where did the modern state emerge? Answer is Europe. Question. According to Almond and Verba, the civic culture contributes the stability of? Answer is democracies. Question. Social movements are? Answer is separate from the state. Question. Civil society consists of? Answer is specific groups. Question. Patron-client relationships are based on? Answer is personal relationships. Question. Which of the following is a function of political parties according to the Hang and Harrop? Answer is aggregating interests. Question. Gabriel and Sidney first introduced political culture in? Answer is 1963. Question. Gabriel and Sidney sketch out the political culture into? Answer is 3 types. Question. The difference, consensus and homogeneity are the 3 key features of? Answer is political culture. Question. Political scientist William S. Stewart categorizes all political behavior as political cultures into? Answer is 9 categories. Question. The term political culture first appeared in an essay that was written by? Answer is Almond. Question. Gabriel Almond was born in United States of America in? Answer is 1911. Question. Citizen of democratic country can acquire political culture through a process of? Answer is political socialization. Question. People learn political values by interacting with other people in a process of? Answer is political socialization. Question. A person or group has the right to issue certain sorts of commands and that those commands should be obeyed. It is the recognition of the right of that individual groups or institution to exercise power as? Answer is authority. Question. The ability of some individual group or institution to control and regulate others. Answer is power. Question. Who distinguished 3 kinds of authority? Answer is Max Weber. Question. Max Weber distinguished different kind of authority. Answer is 3. Question. Gabriel Almond and Sidney Verba proposed basic models of political culture based on their cross-national survey research of? Answer is 5 democratic countries. Question. The main determined factor of a political culture are? Answer is 3. Please subscribe my channel and like and share the video.